Hello everyone, today I'm going to be fixing the wheelbarrow with scrap metal that I salvaged from a broken pressure cooker. I just took apart the pressure cooker. I managed to get +2 scrap metal. I'm going to use all the scrap metal I can to patch as many of the holes as I can with some screws. We'll see how it goes. Everyone keeps telling me I need to get a new wheelbarrow. I don't know what they're on about. I'm just going to keep fixing this one. Alright, I've gone ahead and made 2 patches. This will sort of hold these 2 sides together a bit, and this will patch the hole over the middle and hopefully help to hold it a little bit together, but I'm not entirely confident in removing the ropes yet. So I found this extra piece of scrap metal lying around. Don't know what this was from, but I'm going to go ahead and bend this out in my hands and then just squish it. I'm going to try and make this into sort of a giant, sort of a C bracket in order to go over this hole. This bit here is where the tire has literally burred a hole inside the incredibly thick and durable ABS plastic, just from the stones pushing down and it rubbing on the regular rubber tire. So it's been going through a lot of weight. This wheelbarrow is absolutely munted. But we might be able to patch it with this. I know it's not galvanized, but it is at least painted, which should provide temporary corrosion resistance. Right, I did it. I patched my wheelbarrow. It should be all good now. I don't even... Actually, no, that looks pretty solid. I think I might be confident enough to take the ropes off now. I don't know if I should, but I should be able to take the ropes off now, and it should hopefully hold together. That should save some time. I've gotten kind of used to using these ropes now because I've had them on for so long. Oh.